The Zamfara State government says it has earmarked over 2 billion naira in the 2026 budget to tackle malnutrition, especially among women and children in the state. It says over 20,000 women across the state each benefited from a 50,000 naira cash transfer program it instituted against malnutrition. Nearly 4,000 others benefited from its 15,000 naira monthly stipend for 2 years. Theophilus Darufai reports.
Causes stunted growth, impaired cognitive development and weakened immune systems in children, while for women it can lead to complications during pregnancy and a higher risk of mortality. Both can experience increased illness, fatigue and difficulty performing daily tasks. That's why the federal government, through the Office of the Senior Special Assistant to the President on Public Health, is collaborating with the Zamfara State government to tackle malnutrition through what it calls the Nutrition 774 initiative. Inaugurating the Zamfara State Council on Nutrition, Governor Dauda Lawal said his administration is investing huge sums of money to address malnutrition among women and children in the state.
The challenge of nutrition is one we understand intimately. It is not just a health crisis, rather it is an economic barrier and a profound threat to our human capital development. We cannot build a secure, resilient, and prosperous Zamfara on a foundation of poor nutrition. And this is why Nutrition 774 initiative is not just timely, but absolutely essential.
20 to 25,000 women getting those cash transfers of over 50,000 naira. And then under the LIPW, under the CSDA, there are over 3,000 to 4,000 that have gotten 15,000 naira stipends for this 2 years. In the 2026 budget also, you have asked us to put in about 2 billion plus so that we will be able to fight this.
Ojuan Walker, the SSA to the President on Public Health, led the federal government's delegation to Zamfara State. They are poised towards strengthening collaboration on the implementation of the Nutrition 774 initiative, a key component of the federal government's efforts to combat malnutrition across the country.
It's something that is a continuous fight, but we want to speed up that fight of tackling the issue of malnutrition. But how do we do this? Is by working together. So we're hoping that we start to see results in the first quarter, second quarter of next year. And this takes an all-of-government, all-of-society approach.
The federal government's delegation also commended the giant strides of Governor Dauda Lawal in transforming the health sector and restoring the lost glory of Zamfara State.